Hello, I'm U.S. Representative Mike Rogers from Michigan. Maybe more so than in any other state, we in Michigan understand how this recession is hurting real families every day. For today's working families and our children and our grandchildren, we have to find solutions that will turn our economy around. That's why I'm pleased Republican leader John Boehner has launched his State Solutions Project and asked California Representative Devin Nunes and myself to coordinate the work. We plan to highlight solutions to the problems Americans face, ranging from job creation to health care to energy costs. We'll be focusing on what governors are doing in their own states that is working for working families. Like every family in America, governors have to balance a budget. The State Solutions Project will highlight measures that protect taxpayer dollars. American families can't afford to have Congress continue wasting money on outrageous pork projects like tattoo removal or pig odor, which were included in the recent omnibus bill. Thank you for your interest in finding solutions. We look forward to hearing your ideas on how we can get people working again while protecting taxpayers and future generations of Americans against crushing mountains of debt.